IS250 front brake pad replacement. First thing you want to do, remove your cap off your reservoir. Just pops up. Alright, reservoir cover removed. Move it to your rim. 21 lug nuts. Alright, once you have your tire off, just got to pull these two number 14s, one on top there, one on the bottom there. Alright, so once you remove both your number 14s, you can just place a pry bar right there and right there and just work that caliper off. Alright, caliper is off. You're going to remove your old brake pads. Compress your piston. I use a C-clamp. That little lube you see there is my PV Blast. I spray just to make it easier to break those number 14s loose. So we're going to remove the pads now and compress our piston. Alright, so there's some clips on the old pads. Just want to make sure you exchange them to the new pads. Inner and outer on the sides they came off of. Alright, so now both brake pads are in. Clips are installed in the right spot. We're going to reinstall our caliper. Piston's compressed. Reinstalled our number 14s. One on top there, one on the bottom. We're going to tighten them down now. Okay, once your number 14s are back installed, you just go ahead and put on your wheel and tire. Pretty much do the same process on the other side. And when you're complete, cover back your reservoir, pump your brake pedal till you build up pressure. And that's the Lexus IS250 front brake pad replacement. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, hit that like button. See you next time.